Hey guys, it's Devon here with the Live and Love. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we have a very special episode for everyone. We're actually going to be showing you how you can take your alcohol on your cruise trip. Before we get started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you guys can see all of our new videos when they come out. Let's get started. So Karen and I are going to be heading out on an awesome Carnival cruise adventure. Thanks for filming today, babe. I love you. And Carnival Cruise actually lets all adults over 21 bring on their very own 750 milliliter bottle of wine or champagne. Well, I'm not a big wine guy, so today what we're going to be showing you is how you can take the alcohol of your choosing, put it into the wine bottle, and have it appear that it's never been opened. You guys are in for a treat here, and let's take a look at what we need so we can have these bottles looking brand new when we put our booze in there. First off, we're going to need the 2 wine bottles. We have here a Pinot Grigio. I went with the Cabaret. And we have our alcohol that we're going to be transferring in there. I went with the good old Jameson, and Karen chose the handmade Tito's vodka. And here's the tools we're going to be using so that we can remove our cork, transfer the fluids, and have everything looking brand new. So today we're going to get started with a hammer, and then this is our screwdriver. What we're going to be doing is actually tapping this dime to get the cork into the bottle. This is going to be super smooth and seamless. This is going to leave no visible damage. And then we're going to go ahead and transfer in the alcohol. Lastly, with our food coloring, we're going to show you how you can make all the liquid in the bottle look just as how it was originally packaged at the distillery. No one will ever know the difference. Alright guys, first step, we're going to carefully remove this wine bottle seal. You want to be extra careful to make sure we don't break it. We're going to be using this to close her up when we're done. Just a little light pressure. Karen picked a great bottle to work with, and there we go. Woo! That's simple, guys. The next step, we need to get this cork out without damaging it, because like the wine topper, we're also going to be using this to make sure everything's sealed. It's going to look brand new and perfect. So how do we do that? We have our dime here. Perfect size for the cork, and we're going to just be tapping this in like so. You want to be very careful, keep your eye on the cork. You don't want to make a big splash everywhere with the wine. And donate this wine over here to the sink monster. Okay, so we're just going to drain out some of these last drops. It's going to make it a lot easier to get the cork out. Let's get all that out of there. Alright, now that we got all the wine out, we're going to go ahead and get this cork out of the bottle. To do that, we're going to use our plastic bag. We're just going to go ahead and twist this up so we can get into the wine bottle. Now, you'd like to try and position the cork down here at the bottom, right by the neck here. So we're just going to go ahead. Like so. And now we're going to make a bag balloon. Do this. It's going to blow in here. Okay. So now we're going to pull the bag out. Well, that was a lot faster than I expected, but now we have our cork. It is in pristine condition. Thank you, bag balloon. And now we have our cork out. Alright guys, for the next step, we're going to be transferring the actual Tito's vodka into the wine bottle. So let's bust this open here. Highly recommend using a funnel. Keep that mess to the minimum. Make sure that label stays nice and dry. All 750 milliliters. Every drop for you, Karen. Alrighty. Okay, so it's nice and clean, it's not bad, but this doesn't look like Pinot Grigio. So for this next step, guys, we're actually gonna be using a little bit of food coloring. We'll start off with just 1 drop of yellow here, try and give it that nice Pinot hue. Alrighty, got the yellow in there. Now we're gonna go small increments. You don't wanna over color food coloring. Just kind of jostle it around here. This is a clear bottle, so we want to get this looking really nice. I'm going to say about 1 drop, right, Karen?
Yeah, that's perfect.
And voila, guys. Here we have our perfectly toned and hued Pinot Grigio colored Tito's vodka. Disclaimer, I may have used just a tiny little bit extra yellow food coloring, but it's going to be a-okay. The last step here we have to do is get this corked and sealed. I have my trusty cork here. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a little bit of a squeeze here, guys. And then we're going to slowly get this back in the bottle. Okay, so we're going to hammer this in the rest of the way, guys. We've got our dime back. We're going to lay this nice and easy right there. Go ahead, hold this down. Alright, guys, we successfully tapped the cork back into the wine bottle. It is sealed. Last step is literally just to throw that factory topper on here, just like so.
Hey guys, it's Stefan back here. I want to check in with everyone. We are actually aboard our stateroom. We are on the Carnival cruise. I just want to let everyone know Operation Sneak Your Booze on the cruise was a success. We got the Jameson in the cab bottle. We got the Tito's and the Pinot Grigio. Everything went super smooth, so if you guys are doubting the system, trust it. We would never steer you wrong. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome adventures. And we'll see you next time.